Ever find yourself yelling before you even realize you're stressed, then feel terrible afterwards? It's not a character flaw, and you're not alone. As a brain-based coach and unschooler, I see stress hijack parents' brains all the time, and I've had to deal with it myself. In this video, I'll show you how to lower stress with a 10-second exercise straight out of modern brain science that you can use so you can be calm, patient, and present with your kids even on the hardest days. To start, let me show you why you yell with this game of Jenga. Jenga isn't just about piling more and more bricks on top of the tower. To add a brick, you have to take one out from lower down, making the tower less stable and more likely to fall. Every little stress your brain deals with is like pulling a brick from the bottom and stacking it on top, reducing your stability and adding to your mental load. When the load gets too high and your brain is out of capacity, the tower collapses and you yell. Sometimes it happens so fast, you don't even see it coming. That's not a failure of willpower. It's just your brain running out of bricks to support the load. That's why you snap at your kids, even when you don't want to and don't see it coming. To handle more stress, you don't need more willpower. You need to recharge your brain. The part of your brain that supports the mental load and stops the tower from collapsing is called your frontal lobe. Its job is to calm down your stress response and keep your emotions in check. So we need a way to add bricks back in so you can handle all the stresses that come with unschooling. But how do you do that? Think of it like jump starting a car. You use jump leads to give your battery a boost. We're going to do the same thing for your brain using an exercise called saccades. Saccades are quick jumps your eyes make from one spot to another, and they wake up your frontal lobe, giving it the power it needs to help you handle stress. Here's how to do them. Stand with your thumbs a bit wider than your shoulders. Jump your eyes back and forth from one thumb to the other 10 to 20 times as quickly as you can, making sure your eyes focus on your thumb after each jump. If you find that your eyes are slow or it's hard to focus after the jump, that's a sign your brain's struggling and is already working harder than you realize, which is going to be raising stress every time your eyes jump throughout your day. You can use saccades anytime you feel overloaded or on the edge of snapping, or in calm moments to strengthen your frontal lobe and build resilience. Just a few seconds of saccades can reset your brain and help you stay calm, even on the hardest days. But a few seconds of saccades aren't going to be enough if you're constantly worried about if unschooling is going to work. So watch this video next, where I'll show you how unschooling works and why you'll end up unschooling no matter what.